Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and as you guys can see by the title, I am back today with another LUVME hair wig review. Now this is the wig that I'll be reviewing for you guys. This is their PreMax wig, silky blunt cut glueless bob wig. Okay, I really do like this one, but I do have a tad bit of an issue, which I will let you guys know later on in this video, but nothing too extreme. You know, I give you guys my honest opinion when it comes to these wig reviews all together. Okay, I do not lie to you at all. If I'm not feeling a wig, I will let you know, but I absolutely love this one. So if you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you guys the construction of the cap, then I'm gonna give you guys some more details about the wig, and then finally I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. Now if you are familiar with me and LUVME hair, and if you are not, I do have a discount code for you guys to use at checkout to save you some monies. So make sure you guys check the description box below, where I will leave all the information about this wig as well as my discount code. I will pin it down below in the comments as well, and of course towards the end of the video I will have it right here on the screen for you guys. So if you are interested in hearing all about this silky blunt cut bob wig from LUVME hair, then keep watching. So per usual, LUVME hair sent me some goodies along with my wig. I really appreciate that. I love it when they do that. Let's go ahead and get into the construction of this wig. Now this wig has 4 combs. It has 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the center front, and 1 comb in the back. It also has an adjustable strap, and it has an elastic band. Now this is a 5x5 lace closure wig, so you can wear this glueless, which I'm wearing her glueless right now. Now I did show you guys how the lace looked before cutting. Normally I would put the wig on so you guys could see the lace on my forehead. This time I did not. I went ahead and cut the lace off camera, and I came back and simply put the wig on because I wanted to show you guys how it is a put on and go wig, okay? But we will get into that a little bit later. Let's go ahead and get into some more details about this wig. So again, this wig is from LUVME hair. This is their PreMax wigs silky blunt cut glueless 2x6/5x5 closure lace shoulder length bob wig, pre-plucked and bleached. Now once again, this is a 5x5 lace closure wig that they sent me. So the length that I have is 14 inches 5x5 lace, and it retails for $189.90. Of course, if you do not want to pay full price, you can use Afterpay, Klarna, Zip, or Sezzle, which will divide the total payment into 4 payments of $47.48. So of course you do have have the option to do pre-cut and plucked and bleached. So Love Me Hair will do all that for you and simply send you the wig as is. Or you don't have to. If you want to bleach it yourself and all that stuff, then of course you will select no, and you can do that at home. Now, what is PreMax? So PreMax is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut. So some more details about this wig. It is 100% human hair. The color is natural black. Density is 150%. Parting is middle part, or it can be parted to the side or a C part. Hairline is pre-bleached. This wig in particular is a 5x5 lace closure wig, but you do have the option to get a 2x6 lace closure. The lace type 5x5 lace closure is a regular lace, and the 2x6 lace closure is HD lace. The cap size is standard medium circumference 22.5 inches. Straps are adjustable. It can be worn glueless. It can last up to 1 year, and it can be dyed. So let's get back into this wig. So I tried my best to get the wig how I needed to, how the company asked me to. I did put some heat on it. I went over it a little bit with my flat iron. It was bumpy up here, so I put hair wax here and laid that down, and there was a couple of flyaways also, laid that down. I tried to make sure I show you guys the ends, how the ends look, how full they look, how blunt cut this wig is. Okay, I want to make sure I show you guys everything that I need to as best as possible. Okay, now I did say I had a little con. If you guys notice over here, I've had this problem in the past with other wigs. So this part right here, as y'all can see, it's like not really blending in to the wig like I want it to. It's kind of looking like this area is thin. So I kind of don't like that, but I'm sure I can probably fix it some kind of way. But aside from that, the hair is super soft. I'm loving it. Okay, the length is nice, 14 inches. I love bob wigs. If you don't know, now you know. I love me some bob wigs. This length is great. This is a very classy, really classy type of bob wig. Okay, she's really nice. The ends are good, all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how the wig looks all around one more time. I'm gonna try my best. But here's how the wig looks in the front. Of course, I have moved some of the hair in the front so you guys can really see that blunt cut, and how the ends are and all that stuff. So this is how the wig looks in the front. And then this is how it looks on the side. Hopefully you guys are still able to see. This is how the wig looks in the back. So hopefully you guys can still see the bluntness in the back. And then this is how the wig looks on this side. So she's really cute. I'm loving this. Now again, this wig is a glueless wig, so y'all can't even really see the lace. What lace? Okay, this looks like this is my hair. Okay, this looks like it's my hair. We love that. Okay, we we love that. But yeah, I really do like this wig. She's really cute. I will be wearing her a lot after this review. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can fix this area right here to somehow get it to blend in with the rest of the hairs so it doesn't look, you know, too crazy, okay? But aside from that, I love this wig. This is my new favorite LUVME hair wig. I will be rocking her like until I can't rock her no more, okay? Like just a look at that. Just a look at that. Love it. We love it. So that is pretty much it for this review. I do want to thank LUVME Hair for reaching out to me and sending me this wig. I really do appreciate it. And of course, I hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the length, texture, the style. It's a silky blunt cut bob. So is this your type of wig? Would you rock this wig? How do y'all like this wig on me? All that good stuff, okay? Y'all know the drill. Let me know down below in the comments, okay? As usual, I do have my discount code for you guys to use at checkout to give you, I believe it's 38%. Okay, I forget sometimes, but I do think it's 38%. If it's not, check the description box down below, okay? I'll be sure to have it there regardless. Now, it is my name. It has not changed, which is Lindsay. So it is capital L, lowercase INDSAY. So make sure you guys put that in the little discount code box at checkout to save you 38%. But that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you in my next one.